I mean, I still don't know what I am allowed or not allowed to say on YouTube.
It's just a beginner size anal hook.
The first question that I get from so many of you, Tasha, they're so hot. How do I actually do this myself? Most importantly, if you want this toy for free, unlimited access to each. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and most importantly, welcome back to the good stuff. That's right, unlimited access and all the goodies that I'm dropping exclusively on you guys. So I know that, you know, and we can just get straight into it, because I'm sure that you guys are like my most loyal fans. That's why I love doing this, and I love being able to connect with you guys in this way, and I want us to be able to deepen our relationship with a lot of fun goodies to help us deepen. That was like the best, I don't know, like pun or like double entendre I could think of. I can't think of another one, so whatever. So I'm really excited to bestow on you guys some awesome goodies that are going to enable us to play together, yes, even remotely, even online, even while you're at home. Now, again, I do recommend to you guys that if you're truly looking for personalized attention and to be a real sub to me, then you definitely want to get on onlyfans.com/Tasha Black. That's gonna be the next level up in terms of unlocking all the different aspects of what it is to be in personal servitude to your favorite mistress. But until then, and as I said, I really want to continue to just spoil you and lavish you guys and give you guys all different types of suggestions and goodies and just enable you to have more and more fun, you know, at home while you're watching these videos, and most importantly, while you are enjoying your upgraded membership to my channel. So, that being said, you are getting an incredible discount on some amazing toys that you're definitely going to want to use pretty much immediately. Like, the toys that I'm dropping on you guys today are gonna be, it's like stuff that you are just truly going to find so delicious, so yummy, so much fun, and probably going to be exactly what you were looking for in certain ways, because the toys that I am unveiling to you guys are toys that I would say I personally selected because I just knew that this is something that, like, this is information that all of you really want, and that I hear a lot in the comments, I hear a lot in the DMs, I hear a lot when you guys DM me on onlyfans.com/Tasha Black. And yeah, so here it is, your answers, your prayers, whatever, answered. Your prayers answered. I'm getting that right eventually, whatever. So, ta-da! So guys, this beautiful, and it's like so soft, like the material that they use to like line this case honestly feels so good, and it's so like matte and just like elegant. And you know what I love about this? I love the discreetness, I love the carrier handle, like I love all the different functionality aspects of this case, and the fact that I'm telling you guys this is your new holy grail of, I mean, I still don't know what I am allowed or not allowed to say on YouTube, so I'm just gonna show you. And I'm sure you'll know what to do with it. Okay, guys? So let's go ahead and open this beauty up. And in case you were wondering, yes, I'm giving you exclusive fabulous discounts to receive all the toys that I'm unveiling to you today in this case for at least 5% off. All you have to do is tap the description box below and you will find a link as well as a coupon code. Make an account at OxyShop, and from there you'll be able to unlock that fabulous discount exclusively for you, my amazing YouTube members. So yeah, you could literally get these toys right now. That's why I wanted to show you guys this and why I picked out this particular set for you. So as you're seeing, I've opened the sucker up, everything in the case, and I have not opened, this is the first time that I'm opening it. I took the case out the box, but that's it. Took it out the packaging and that's it. So As you can see, all the different little elements of the toy set, it is a set. That's very exciting because that means that you can use it in a multiplicity of different ways and for quite a while, for a lot of different uses, even as you grow and advance in your interest, you know, as a sub, right? So they're all nicely wrapped, very sterile, very clean, you know, very hygienic. And I just want to show you, I'm not going to open each and every element of this toy case because in case you guys were wondering, yes, if you are both a subscriber of the YouTube channel as well as onlyfans.com/TashaBlack, then you have a chance to win this item as well as any other number of awesome items for free, 100% for free, love, as part of my monthly free giveaway. Yes, that's true. And there's nothing you have to do, literally. Like, all you do is, you know, be an awesome ass fan. You subscribe to this page, you subscribe to my onlyfans.com/TashaBlack. And yeah, you could win everything that I'm showing off to you, all these like awesome goodies. That's why I'm gonna be very careful. Whoops. Okay, see, that's why I'm gonna be very careful not to take them out of the package because some one of you lucky fans are literally gonna win this toy set from me.
Do you see that that's an anal hook? Look at the size of this anal hook. It's just a beginner size anal hook. And that's kind of what I love about it. It's just the right size such that you could use it solo,
right? And a lot of these toys, you know, they have the capacity to be used with a partner or completely by yourself, depending on what you're interested in and, you know, where you're at in your level of submission. Again, is it something that you're doing as part of something new that you're trying in your relationship? Is it something that you're doing as part of, you know, something that you're experiencing particularly with your partner? If that's true, then you want to be able to size yourself up gradually. The first question that I get from so many of you when you are becoming interested in this particular kink, in this particular fetish, okay, so I want to do it. I love seeing this. I love seeing your videos. Tasha, they're so hot. How do I actually do this myself? So I'm gonna show you with this beginner's anal toy set. And if you want to just go ahead and buy this, again, you can tap the description box below and you'll get a discount code for 5% off on this entire set. This is made all together. So right now I showed you the anal hook. These are a variety of different butt plugs, and again, I'm not taking them out the package, you guys, because some one of you lucky fans is winning this actual exact set that I'm holding in my pretty fingers for free as part of the monthly giveaway. I will tell you the one thing though, guys, I don't even have to take these butt plugs out of the package. I could already tell they're just such high quality, and I absolutely love that because, you know, I've gotten toys from everywhere. I don't think there's any shame in doing that. You should definitely try, test, buy. You should definitely, you know, give yourself an opportunity to decide what type of toys you like, what brands you like, what toy makers you like. You never know what's going to really impress you. And sometimes just for sake of convenience, if you're traveling. So I bought like toys, I bought like butt plugs from Amazon because I review a lot of different toys and I like to give you guys a lot of different options. And I'm telling you, I mean, the quality is just nothing like this. Like, you know, I don't know if you've ever had this issue, any of you guys, but the silicone, or I don't know what material they're making these toys out of, but those like butt plugs or those dildos that like simply melt or whatever when you're like putting them next to each other in the container. And this is like, doesn't even have to be hot, but it's just like the material of it just gets everywhere and it becomes a mess. And especially if the toy is like flesh toned, like my flesh toned, or like black or something like that, oh, it just looks terrible in my toy chest. So I love these because you could immediately tell the weight, the softness, just like the material is extremely, like just the perfect material that you want for a butt plug. That's what you're looking for. And the sizes, I don't know if you guys saw when I had it pulled out. I'm going to continue to explore this kit for you because it's so comprehensive. That's again why I really wanted to review these toys for you, because it's got everything. Like this one kit literally is all you need to become my #1 anal fan. you know, to become my #1 anal sub. So you definitely want to get this. So now in here, I believe this is a set of restraints, or this might be like a chastity cage. Again, I'm not gonna open anything up. I'm just gonna, you know, whatever, but it's nice, it's weighty, it's like got a really good feeling. And you could also go ahead and check out the listing. I'll put the product listing for this exact set in the description box alongside that 5% off discount code. So just, again, if you're liking everything that you're seeing and you can't wait, you don't want to just, you know, get it for free in that monthly giveaway that I'm doing for you guys, then yeah, you can definitely get it by, you know, tapping the link in the description box and using that code MyTasha for 5% off of your toy. Any toy that you buy, it doesn't have to be just this. And then here, this is wrapped up so nicely, so you guys can't really see it, but I can tell from my perspective. I'll try to show you in the camera, but I don't know if you're really gonna be able to see what that is through all of the cellophane and everything like that. So this is actually a very nice, super weighty stainless steel butt plug. And again, what I love about this, and I believe that this is also on a chain, which is excellent because that enables you to up your play in so many different ways. That's also why I was very excited that they gave you the anal hook and not just the butt plugs, because I think that so often, you know, when we are, especially for beginners to any type of anal play, oftentimes we lean towards getting these kind of tired, played out forms of insertables, like the butt plug, which, I mean, there's so many different types, but, you know, just the regular silicone ones. I think a lot of people get those Benoit balls, stuff like that. But in reality, there's a whole multiplicity, a whole variety of different toys that you can utilize, that you can enjoy, that are just absolutely fantastic for beginners, like the anal hook, like butt plug, you know, and a stainless steel butt plug with a chain, such that you can use it for some fun bondage aspects, you know, like perhaps attached to a restraint like rope or another set of metal restraints if you like the feeling of metal. And again, you guys have to tell me what this is, or I don't know, take a look at the product listing and remind me of what this like nice little metal piece, this one wrapped up in this velvet bag, what that is, because I cannot remember what that is. But whether it's a restraint or if it's some, you know, some form of chastity device, or if it attaches to the anal, but the butt plug that I was talking to you guys earlier about, it's an extremely comprehensive set. And it's a comprehensive set that would really enable you to have a perfect online session with a mistress like myself, or any other mistress for that matter, like long distance relationship, anything like that, at any time. At any time. And it's extremely hygienic, it's extremely discreet, as I said, look, and everything goes nicely tucked away in this perfect little carrying case, perfect travel case. Nobody's ever gonna know what's in here, nobody's ever gonna look in here. And I mean, that's oftentimes, you know, when you're a beginner to a kink or to a particular fetish, even if you're an extreme expert, I still think, you know, discretion is important to a lot of people. It's definitely important to me. And so having something just clean, neat, and perfect for everyday use, or for spicing up any bedroom session, like this beginner's anal toy set from OxyShop, is literally what you need right now. So again, guys, go ahead, tap that description box below. You'll be able to find a discount code to get this toy or any toy that you want from OxyShop simply by tapping the link and using my code MyTasha for 5% off of your toys. And most importantly, if you want this toy for free, yes, entirely for free, or pretty much anything else, like all the toy reviews that I do, all the unboxings that I do, all the videos that you've like been seeing all over the unlimited access page. All of those toys are being given away absolutely 100% for free for my top subscribers just like you. So definitely don't be shy. I mean, please send me a DM on onlyfans.com/TashaBlack and let's talk more, especially if you're interested in doing an online session with me using these toys, potentially getting them for free. Okay guys, so I believe I'm just gonna like say it really quickly because, you know, whatever, but like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications. I believe you already have, because again, you are my very top fan. So thank you so much for being unlimited access members, for upgrading your membership, and for staying on the VIP YouTube membership page. Good job. Okay guys, we'll talk soon. Bye.